Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off suggested for you on Facebook. So this is pretty simple. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Facebook app right here. Of course you'll have to be logged into your account. So what I'm going to do next is hit the icon with the three lines at the top right corner right here. And then if I'm going to scroll down right here to my shortcuts, I'm going to select see more and I'm going to select pages. So right here, if I'm going to scroll down, as you can see, I have this option suggested pages, and these are some pages that are suggested for me. So what I can do is just select the page that I want to turn off, and as you can see right here we have the page that is suggested. So what I'm going to do is hit the three lines right here, the icon with the three dots, and I'm going to select the option not interested. So basically this is how you can turn off suggested for you on Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.